morning, good fellas, and welcome back to Ask Tony Tuesday. You guys already know the drill. 2 questions, 2 answers. How are you today, Tony?
Doing well. Yourself?
I'm doing fantastic today. Alrighty,
Good.
so the first question we have for you today is, what is the best grade material for outside?
Okay, so like outdoor kitchens, that kind of stuff?
Yes.
Okay. Granite by far. You can do quartz outside, but it's limited to the application. It has to be completely covered. The sun will fade quartz, which is why when I'm asked, granite is by far the best choice outside. I mean, it's a rock. It came from outside, so it should be durable outside. Depending on the climate, there are certain stones that I would use and certain stones I would avoid. If we lived in the South, we lived in Florida, somewhere where the weather was nice all year round, I would say just about any granite would be fine. Because we live in a cold weather climate, I would avoid a granite with a lot of mica in it. I would avoid granite with a lot of big veining in it. What happens here in this climate is it rains, moisture gets into the stone, and then it freezes in the wintertime. And when it freezes, it kind of expands. So a stone with a lot of mica in it is not ideal for outdoor use. A tight grain granite, which is mostly the level 1, level 2, which most people choose for outdoor kitchens, is probably going to be your best bet. It's very dense, very hard. It doesn't have all that mica in it. It's going to look well. It's going to weather well for many, many years. So yeah, a tight grained uniform granite would be ideal for outdoor kitchen spaces.
I didn't even know that. I'm learning new stuff. That was a really good question. The second question we have for today is, what textures of countertop do we offer?
Excellent question. Most of the time you'll see polished granite or polished stone or any kind of natural stone that's polished. What's become popular now is either a hone finish. A hone finish like a matte finish, something like you would see maybe in a blackboard kind of color in a black. But now we offer what we call a leather finish, where it's more of a textured finish, not really super textured, and more like an orange peel kind of effect to it. But it gives it a nice little texture. It works well with outdoor, especially for outdoor. But we do some inside as well, but doesn't show any fingerprints. So it's even on black, which is nice. But some stone comes with it. A lot of the wholesalers today are bringing stuff in what they call a dual finish, where one side of the slab is polished, the other side is either honed or a leather finish. But if it's not available, we have the capabilities to leather or hone any stone we have in inventory. We can do it here, right in our facility.
Thank you for answering our questions today again.
My pleasure.
This is the end of our Ask Tony Tuesday today. We hope everybody has a wonderful week, and we will see you guys next week. Bye.
Have a good week. Killed it.
Yet again.
Yep.